Welcome to cseguru. In this session, we will discuss how to write a C program to find quotient and remainder. See, for this quotient, if you are implementing a division operator, that is a slash, if you are implementing in the sense, we will get quotient. If you are implementing the modulus operator percentage, in the sense, we will get the remainder. Okay, so now we will write the C code to find the quotient and remainder. So the first line is header file hash include stdio.h. Okay, then no global variables, no function declaration. So directly go to main function void main, and within this main function we will write the C code. So here, to implement the division operator as well as the modulus operator, we need two values. One is the numerator value and another one is the denominator value. So consider two variable. NUM is for numerator and DEM for denominator. Okay, and the quotient we will consider it as Q and the remainder we will consider it as R. Okay, so these are all the four variables we are going to use within this program. Next, get the input for numerator and denominator. So printf enter numerator value. Okay, in the next line we will accept the input for numerator using scanf statement. Scanf within double quotes, it is an integer data type, so the format specifier is %d num. Okay, and here we have to use the address operator. The scanf statement compulsory, we have to use the address operator to accept the input. Okay, then using the printf statement, type the message enter denominator value. Okay, then to accept the input in next line, we are inserting a new line character and scanf %d ampersand denominator. Okay, so now we have accepted the input. Then find the quotient and remainder. So quotient Q is equal to numerator NUM, numerator divided by denominator. Okay, and remainder R is equal to numerator modulus denominator. Okay, next, see here numerator divided by denominator and it will return only the quotient value. That is the purpose of this division operator. After the decimal point, whatever the value it is there, it won't consider. Okay, so it will consider only the quotient value and the result will be stored with Q. And the modulus operator, if you are considering, numerator divided by denominator, and it will return only the remainder value, not the quotient value. It will consider only the remainder value. What is the remainder? That it will return and that will be stored with R. Okay, now we need to print these two results. So printf quotient value is equal to %d. What is the quotient value? That is stored with the variable Q. Similarly, printf remainder equal to %d and the remainder value will be stored with the variable R. Okay, then use return statement. Okay, now our C code is over. Run the program. And if you are executing the program, it is asking enter numerator value. Okay, so I am entering 40 and enter denominator value 8 I am entering. Okay, so quotient is equal to 5. 40 divided by 8 is 5. Okay, and the remainder is 0. And here we will add 1/n here. Okay, to get the result in next line. Okay, so this is the result. Again, I am executing the C code. Enter the numerator value. I am entering it as 30. And the denominator value, I am entering it as 7. Okay, see here. What is the quotient and what is the remainder we are getting? Here 30 divided by 7 in the sense 7 fours are 28. Only 4 times for 7 it is possible. Okay, so we are getting the quotient is 4. And what is the remainder? It is 2. 7 fours are 28 and the remainder value was 2. Okay, suppose again if you are executing the C code, numerator value here I am entering it as 160 and denominator value is 23. See here, quotient is 6 and the remainder value is 22. Suppose if the numerator value is 100 and the denominator value is 5, I am entering in the sense, see here, quotient is 20, there is no remainder. So here we will get remainder 0. Suppose, see here, numerator value I am entering it as 7 and the denominator value I am entering it as 14. See here, whenever you are implementing a division operation in the sense, numerator value should be a greater value and the denominator should be a lesser value. Okay, so here I have not implemented any condition in my C code. Okay, simply I am entering numerator as a lesser value and denominator as a higher value. We will check the output. See here, quotient is 0. Okay, so 7 divided by 14 in the sense 7 is not divisible by 14. It is since it is a lesser value. So the quotient value we will get it as 0 and the remainder if you are considering in the sense what is the numerator value, that itself it will return as a remainder. Okay, so here the logic if you are considering in the sense when the numerator value is a lesser value and the denominator is a greater value in the sense the modulus operator will return numerator value itself as a remainder. That is the meaning. Okay, if you are entering both equal values in the sense numerator and denominator, see here quotient is 1 and the remainder is 0. Okay, so likewise for different inputs we can check the output and we will learn the logic of the C code. Okay, so this is the C code to find a quotient and remainder. Thank you for watching this video.